Everybody, today's video we're gonna talk about string concatenation in Python. So let me just write in Python. So in Python, string concatenation just means adding two strings together. Like for example, adding Simon plus Hervé, which is my name. Hope I didn't even spell it. Riley. Wow. Which is my name. Then when I run it, you see I have the two names here. So so what does string concatenation mean? It means adding two strings together. For example, if you are trying to try to add 5, then I run it, it's telling me that you can only add only string and not integer. So the key, what you can take from the video is string concatenation means adding two strings together. So thank you guys for watching. Love and share this video. And if you are not subscribed, please do subscribe. Until then, see you.